Hey, what's up? It's Paul Farmer here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, what I want to do is I want to show you, I actually want to revisit one of the bonuses I talked about in this video right here. You find this on my channel, 3 free PLS bonuses you probably don't know about. Uh, and I want to revisit it because I actually realized there's a lot more than what I showed in this video. So if I come over here, let me just go to my dashboard real quick. And I'm on my Power Lead System dashboard. What I'm talking about, the bonuses in this program right here, this product, AI Automation Academy. Let me talk to you about AI Automation Academy. This is our newest product. Just came out about 3 months ago. And what it is it's done by Jeff Mills. Jeff Mills has his own AI business where he helps businesses become more efficient by using AI, make more sales, free up their time. And he's been using AI for a while before it even got big, like it is now, before it became more mainstream like it is now. And they put together this course. He put this course together where he's teaching live once a month, a live class where he's teaching different concepts using AI so you can create marketing that stands out, so you can make more sales, generate more leads, and there's all kinds of things that are being taught in this course. Now, what's different when it comes to this live course versus others is after the concept is taught. So, for example, we have AI music for business. So, after you learn how to make music within minutes, full song, even an album within minutes using AI, uh, you are divided up into groups. This is all online, by the way, where you go and create your own song. And then you go come back and share it with the group, with the class. And this is really a great way for you to not only learn about the concept, but to apply it, to actually create the concept. Like this really enforces the whole concept, the whole, and it helps you understand and learn, actually learn. So you can start applying it, using it, however you choose. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of different concepts here. I'm not going to go through all of them. You can see it right here on the page. If you want to screenshot that page and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, this is the new product, AI Automation Academy. People are very excited about it. I talked about this previously on the other video I did, where I talked about the bonus, but what I didn't realize, so I'm going to go right on in here. I didn't realize that they put this Lead Generation Academy archives in here. Now, in the previous video, I did show you that you could access some of them in the Facebook group, the AI Automation Academy Facebook group. Uh, but now those are not there anymore. Those have been, I don't know if they've been removed. I don't know if Facebook removed them, but you can find them right here. So I come in here. Now, Lead Generation Academy was a $105 a month program, and it was once a month coaching on affiliate marketing, training, that kind of thing. And as you can see, there's just tons of training back here that you can access and go through and learn these concepts. Now, some of it is older, obviously, it is older, but these concepts still apply to this day. For example, this follow up mastery, this absolutely applies to today. If you do, when you do what's taught here, you will make sales. Like, there's no way around it. Uh, so there's what are solo ads, attraction marketing, and so forth, copywriting, introduction. Um, so it's just a lot of value in here. I also want to talk about one other thing. And before I go with AI Automation Academy, so you get all that training, both the AI stuff and the marketing stuff as well. But you could also earn $35 residual commissions to unlimited depth, unlimited levels. So that means you could have people that purchase this product that you don't know who they are, you know nothing about them, but you just made that $35 residual commission. So not only is there a lot of value built into this product and given in this product, both live value and recorded value. But there's also freedom income. And when I say freedom income, I mean it pays you monthly, month after month after month. Now, I can tell you, I've been with Power Lead System now for over 10 years. And I promoted it really hard in 2017 and 2018. It's where I made the majority of my income. But ever since that time, even though I wasn't promoting it actively, I was still getting paid residual income. Great thing about Power Lead System, one, you get paid right away. Like you can grab those commissions whenever they first become available. And also, it always pays on time, which I can't say for most of the programs out there. For over 10 years, I've always been paid on time, every time, without fail. And that's huge. It's a Power Lead System. It's designed to help you either start a business, an online business where you can earn residual income all the way up to $1,500 one-time commissions if you decide to go all in, which is highly advisable. It's actually what I'm going to be talking about the most going forward because, I want to help you and I want to help more people. And the only way I'm going to be able to help more people is if we get you into the right frame of mind and it help you understand that if you are positioned to make more money, um, when you can make a $1,500 commission versus say a $20 commission, I mean, it goes so much farther and you're not doing anything differently. You're doing exactly the same thing. So it just makes sense, like business sense to go and do that. It's not about, oh yeah, go buy this. No, it makes business sense. And I have all kinds of stories where I talk about when I went all in and what happened with me. I won't go into that on this particular video, but I have many where I've talked about the transformation that happened, like what happened when I made that decision. So I really do encourage you, that's the way to go if you want to get ahead quickly. It just changes everything. When you know your position to make more money, you're going to go to work. You're going to make things happen. You're going to be more excited. Whereas if you just make, like, say, a $20 commission, you're like, ooh, a $20 commission. Well, that doesn't really buy gas, but it's something. But when you get like a $1,500 commission, now that's kind of exciting, right? Like that can do a lot for you. That could help pay off bills. That could help with a car payment, a house payment. There's a lot of things it can do. It can help you save up for that vacation you've been putting off. And that's just because you get a one-time payment doesn't mean you're also not getting residual because you're getting residual income too. So you're getting residual, you're getting one-time payments. The only other thing I wanted to share, because I think this is really cool, you click on events here. We now have 4 live coaching sessions that happen throughout the week, and that's included in your membership. This particular one is more for beginners. If you're just getting started with Power Lead System and you need some help with how to get started, what to do first, that's a great one to go to. Even if you're a veteran, still a good one to go to maybe learn some things you didn't know. This master affiliate Zoom, this so far is my favorite one. I've gone to all of them except for this one, the Saturday. I want to go this Saturday. I just haven't made it because he's just started actually. This one's been really good. One week they went through how to create videos using AI and how to use those videos and repurpose them all throughout, like on a blog, on social media, like a social media post. I mean, within minutes, how to do all these things. So making content doesn't have to take hours and hours anymore. It literally can take minutes. And that's content that's going to be working for you 24/7. So that's just one of the things they taught, but they come on every week. Really powerful call. I can't believe it's free. You have the PLS CEO call. Okay, and this is with the CEO, and he's going to give you updates about what's going on in the company. He's going to show you what to do as well to have success. He's going to answer questions, that kind of thing. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to cover here. If you'd like to get started, you like what you see, go ahead and go to the link in my description. Click on that link and decide to get started. You can start with a 7-day free trial, so it won't cost you one single cent. You can come check out these trainings for free. You can use quite a bit of this for free as well. The marketing systems and everything in here you can use for free. So you tap in the training, tap into the marketing systems, and you can even start earning commissions as a free member. I mean, it's pretty insane. So uh, I highly recommend checking it out. And if you're serious, go all in. The other thing I want to say is contact your call with Neil. So when you decide to get started, contact Neil and he's going to help you get started. I mean, I don't know too many places where you can go and talk to the CEO of the company one on one in a call, get your questions answered, learn more about the company. I mean, I don't know too many CEOs that take the time to do that, but Neil does. And it's a tremendous resource for you, and it's a tremendous resource for anybody you refer. Okay, thanks for watching. Go ahead, if you got value, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you like best. What do you think of that bonus that I told you about, or the live training? Let me know what you think. And with that, I will talk to you soon.